it's not going to hit there. It's just if we keep going at this rate.
Yeah, you're going to be on it.
So it's over there?
Key is I gotta planning. Get that arm loose. Oh, it goes down in there a bunch. Goober. I cut the slides at an 1 5/8 thick. I can always go back and slice them in 2x4.
Oh, true.
2x6.
Right.
Because I lose that much. Look, this section here, I've got it. It's good, you know, but look at all the live edge on this side. So you lose a 2x4 in that. And the only way I would gain any is if I trim that off, and then I might get one out of it.
Right.
So I'd rather have a slab sitting on the side for somebody to use.
Or to be turned into a 2x6.
Or turn it into a 2x6.
Yeah.
Flames, blue flames, get that cleared up, check that out. Because listen, no matter how you do it, you can't duplicate this. That's straight up the grain of
See you later. Let me out. And I was like,
this one 2x6. It's the arch, because I think I lost the 1/8 on this end.
you beat your
There you go. 7 or 8. I don't know if we'll start the next one tonight or not. That's part of me shaving off. here's what happened with that one. Because it started in just like this end did. The 1/4 inch that I needed to shave off. But as I got into the middle, because when I was cutting that, it was upside down and it was arched some in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
So when I flipped it over, that arch dipped like this.
Mm-hmm.
So my blade running across, my blade ran straight, but then it popped out in the middle, and then it, as you see here, it came back in and did its job in the end and took off the 1/4 inch.
You can see the blade like flexing.
Yeah, you can see where it definitely, especially in the knot, it jumped out. It jumped out here the hardest. I couldn't get it to bite back in there. Buzzing through a table saw real quick on the edge.
True.
When I mentioned the 4, if you want to make it.
What do you call that? Slider?
Wings.
Whoa!
So you
They broke
at
it.
the knot.
Yeah, I had somebody ask me about that in the comments.
What's that?
Why we made such a thin board last time.
Oh, shave it down. Dimensional lumber. That's why. Dimensional lumber.
Well, it's already complaining anyway, so what's the difference? I don't get no sleep. I'm up at 12:30, so that's about as late as you can get.
Push your side. There's a smidge off or something.
So that's the last one out of that log?
That's the last one out of that log.
That! That's pulling over that one. Yeah. What's that?
But he's got.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. All that blue in the wood's awesome.
There's your chair, Josh. Yeah. Cut it right out on
Yep.
that side. One on the other side. There's your chair for your living room.
Yep.
Put a cushion on top, bang. You know, make some little round wheels.
The guy that he got these logs from is wanting to get down like six or 8 more.
Oh, well.
You want what?
And I told Bill, I said, well, let me know if you need help getting them down.
Mm-hmm.
I said, then, you know, we can figure it out from there. And what that just did is, see, that's your adjustment. Like if the blade is out of whack,
Mm-hmm.
that bolt right there, that's why it's real loose right now. That bolt is your tensioner. Well, your wheel adjuster. That's what keeps it tracking right. Glasses, gloves, shouldn't be doing this. Shirtless or armless.
No, I think tank top's a good idea.
Yeah, oh yeah. Tank tops, yeah.
You gotta be
well.
you gotta be
You want to get
fashionable.
branded by the blade, you're gonna get branded. I was trying to pull the top off. There it is. Got it.
Yeah, you got
Like
it.
that. got that other one I gotta bring up too. So this is the new one. And you can see where they're wore. I got some use out of them for sure. We cut a lot of logs, a lot of boards.
All right,
Give
go
it a
ahead.
toss.
That looks right though.
It is right. But a lot of the saber-tooth ones that I was getting, they were backwards. Yeah, they were flipped inside out, so it's like a bear trap then. The only way to get them,
Yeah, is to flip them.
turn it, and it closes in like a bear trap. And
Yeah, that's scary.
yeah, it's yeah, I usually put my board behind it so it can't take off on me. Make sure it goes over that belt and then through the guides.
It's too high. You can't.
I try to get it
You
basically.
can't get up here. No, you can't.
See,
Yeah, Andy?
I usually go by the top when I see that slack come out of it,
I had to grab down for that.
like right there. Could probably track a little bit more in. Keeping as long as the inside right there is real close. So on both on the wheels, and that's how it's on blades. So ready to go. Guy, can you grab that in? Do it without you splitting it. You know, curl it into whatever, some crazy.